Hello, I'm back with one more sentence, and here we go. Sentence is a new phenomena which is visible at Mangua's major intersections are waves of vendors and beggars, which include many children and mob cars at the stoplights. So, the word here, which, and which modifies beggars, and beggars human being, that's why which is incorrect. We need who with it. So a modifier errors. By the way, there is one more error, that is a new phenomena are, it should be a new phenomena is. So B says visual at Menugua's major intersections are waves of vendors and beggars with the many children and new phenomena that mob cars. So completely incorrect sentence, awkward structure, and the meaning is not very clear. That's why B out. C. A new phenomena visible at Menugua's major intersections is waves of vendors and beggars, many of them children who finally subject verb agreement and modifier both are correct. D is so phenomenally new waves of vendors, beggars, and many children are visible at Menugua's major intersections, which actually here children who should be who mob cars rather than which mob cars. So again incorrect modifier and incorrect structure. So D out. Now E, a wave of vendors and beggars, many of whom are children, are visible. So a wave are visible is incorrect. Mengua's major intersections where they are new phenomena and the same problem. So E also out. C is best choice.